Hi, I'm Sherry Holzer of I Am Simply Sherry, and I'm really excited to share with you today this recipe for apple pear crisp using Maxine's Heavenly Cinnamon Oatmeal Raisin Cookies. Let's get to it. You'll need 1 bag of Maxine's Heavenly Cinnamon Oatmeal Raisin Cookies, 3 pears, 3 apples, 1/3 cup walnuts chopped, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup maple syrup, 2 teaspoons cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of cardamom, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 tablespoons melted vegan butter, 1 tablespoon melted coconut oil. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Peel, core, and chop 3 pears and 3 apples and place in a large bowl. Add lemon juice, cardamom, ginger, maple syrup, nutmeg, cinnamon, and cornstarch. Stir to combine. In a separate bowl, crumble 1 bag of the Maxine's Heavenly Cinnamon Oatmeal Raisin Cookies. Melt 2 tablespoons of vegan butter and combine with the cookies. Coat a cast iron skillet with 1 tablespoon of melted coconut oil. Place the fruit mixture into the cast iron, sprinkle with the chopped walnuts, and cover with the cookie topping. Place cast iron into oven for 30 minutes until the topping begins to brown and the apples are fork tender. I hope you give this recipe a try, and trust me, Maxine's Heavenly will become a staple in your pantry.